The inner circle of the hub is exactly the same size as the hole in the disc. Then I cut a rectangular piece more or less the same length as these two flaps of the hub, and I'll glue it on, but I only put glue on these two flaps like this. Then I use a very small piece of blue tack, put it on the surface, and put the turning wheel or the circular disc on it to test if it can really turn freely. See? Now that I've stuck the turning wheel on the surface, I use something circular to draw arcs on the turning wheel, because this was the dummy that I used, and I found that the arcs like this works the best on the lash. It looks like the action of lashing on the person. I can't draw the lines too close together because, as you can see here, I can't have both lines appearing at the same time. I have tried just now. This will be the right distance. So I made marks here. When this line goes to here, I can start another line here. One more thing, you can't have the lines or the arcs going from the center of the circle. Otherwise, it would be horizontal in effect. So you can see that the lash is not straight, it's a curve. So if it's a horizontal line, then the line will be seen at both ends, then going to the center. It won't look like that it is lashing on the back of Jesus like this. Through the lines, I aim at here and here, not here. Put this page on here, on top of this one, and since this one is already very thick and the surface is a little bit curved, I've made 4 rectangular pieces like these. Fold them up and they will act like springs, and I'll put them underneath this piece like so. So they don't have to really large, they just act like springs underneath so that the turning wheel can move more smoothly underneath. I've decided to change the position of the turning wheel because originally the center was here, but because I don't want to have a notch here. A notch is for me to turn the turning wheel more easily. So I decided to make the notch here, so I've moved the turning wheel up here, the center of the turning wheel up here, and I've just tried it and it looks fine. So I will make a notch here.